Hey, this is my More Than Hello World lamp structure, and I will be showing you my name register, which I will be putting in names into a database, having it stored, shown, delete, and making sure it's gone from my system. To start out with, we're going to do name input.php here on my right side, which is where I'm going to be inputting all my data. And on my left side, you'll see what my coding is for each of the screens. So we're going to start off right here with putting in a first name. So I'm going to put in Jessica, middle initial R, last name Roman. I'm going to press submit. And once I press submit, everything goes to my store names.php, which here's the code for it. And it's going to be saved in my database name, which is name register, and my table name, which is names. And here you see I get a confirmation Jessica R. Roman has been added to my database. And I'm going to show you the names in my base. As you see right here is the counts as PK, which is all my names in order of how I put it into my register. So I have 1 through 15 names in there. Now my first names, middle name, and last names. And here on my right side is my coding for show names.php. Now I'm going to go into my database. So I'm going to come to my AMP, which is started. I'm going to click admin. And it pulls up my local host. And here's my database name reg, my table name, which is name, like I said. And here you see the names that show up in my database is the same things that are from my show names. And I will show you how to remove a record from my database. So I clicked on delete records from database, and here what you're going to put in is the count number of the name you want to delete. So let's say we want to delete 8. All I have to do is press 8 into my form, click submit. And what it did was it deleted the name from my database and sent me to the gone PHP, which here's the coding for that. And what it did was, here's the name of the listed database, and you can see 8 have been removed here. Now let's go to my database. Here, as you can see, 8 is still here. So all we have to do is reload. And 8 has disappeared. Now let's say if I want to add a new name to my system. All I'm going to do is click add another name, put in da-da-da, da-da-da, and da-da-da. Let's make up something. Click submit. See how it has all my names I put down, and let's go to show names. And here 16 is the show names. Now notice how it only shows one letter for middle initials. I have it set up so it only shows one character for middle initials, 20 characters for both first and last name. And now let's go back to my database and I'll show you. There you go. It showed up in my database. Now the only problems I had with this was I kept getting this message, but other than that, it runs perfectly fine. You can add, delete, show your name, and everything will be stored on my database. Well, thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope it was entertaining.